Do you want to earn in upwards of $10,000 to be a medical courier delivery driver? Well, if that's you, you want to stick with me to the end.
Welcome to the Wealth Legacy Movement, the space where we help you build your wealth legacy through entrepreneurship, side hustles, high paying jobs, and real estate ownership.
I'm Sophia, mindset and business coach and real estate agent for the state of Georgia. Let's now dive right into it. So, the first website that I'm going to be going on is GoShare, and the website is GoShare.co. And just to see the money that you'll get for the different vehicle type, I'm going to be going GoShare.co /drivers /. So you see it says earn money driving your truck, van, or car. Be your own boss, work when you want, and get paid weekly. Build your deliver business. You can just click here to apply, but I'm just going to scroll down so you can see how much can I earn. This is a question. And so if you have a truck, you can earn $70 per hour. If you have a full-size cargo van, you can earn $105 per hour. If you have a car, it's $45 per hour. If you have a box truck, it's $168 per hour. And if you are the owner of a fleet, let's say you have a box truck, you have a car, you have a cargo van, or a combination of any one of those, it is considered a fleet. And then if you have that, then you can click here to learn more, right? And it says how it works. Get a delivery alert. Get an alert whenever a load is available near your city. To accept deliveries that you want, right? If you're available and interested, accept the delivery in the app. Do the work, arrive at the pickup address at the scheduled time, and deliver the cargo for the customer. 4. Get paid. GoShare handles the customer payment and directly deposits your earnings in 4 business days. Wow, that is pretty quickly. Where else you can go and you work and you get paid so quickly? 4 days after you've worked, you're going to be getting the money. So it says strong earnings, flexible hours, weekly pay, and benefits. Build your business, you're covered. So this is just a great way of being flexible. Work your own time. Whenever it is that you want to work, you work. You're under no pressure to work. But I'm thinking the more you work is the more that you're going to be earning, right? And you have persons who are earning in upwards of $10,000 per month. And so if you put in the time that is needed for the kind of earnings that you're looking for, then I'm sure you will be able to get that kind of income. So to sign up to GoShare, you're going to click on drivers, and then on the drop down pop-up, you're going to click apply now. Once you click apply now, you just fill in this information and select next and just follow the instructions, and that's it. So it says fill out this quick application to let us know more about yourself and your vehicle. It will take less than 5 minutes. Once complete, you will get an instant response on whether your application is accepted, as well as information about next steps. So you will know in less than 5 minutes if they've accepted you to drive for them. The next one that I'm going to be going on is DropOff, and that is dropoff.com. See at the top what it says. So become a courier with DropOff. Make your own schedule and deliver for some of the greatest enterprise business in the world. Drive for Us. You're going to click on Drive for Us. It's giving you a little bit of information about DropOff, their backstory. So they were founded in 2014, and a business have innovated the need to reliable same-day delivery has only grown. All right. So all you have to do is sign up to drive. You're going to click on that, and you're going to look right on this list to see if your city or your state is located there, right? Because you don't want to select a city or a state outside of where you live or where you can get to quickly, okay? Because you don't want to be driving and, you know, burning a lot of gas to get over to another state to do delivery. That wouldn't make sense. So once you've selected one, let's say you're from Denver, Colorado, then you're going to select driver contractor, and you're going to fill in this information. Fill in all this information, right? How many days do you want to drive? Morning, afternoon, evening, overnight. Just fill in all this information and submit application. And it is as simple as that. The requirements: you have to be 21 years old, solid knowledge of the city, a registered, insured, and inspected car, SUV or van less than 10 years old, current driving license and clean driving record. Tech savvy, you're comfortable using the smartphone app. So basically, you'll be getting all your notification from the app to pick the delivery that you want to do, right? And that's basically it. So once you do that, then they're going to immediately respond to your application, and then in just a couple of minutes you will know if they've accepted you. But so for most of these companies, there's this training HIPAA that you will have to complete. It's not anything that you need to worry about. If you don't have that training before, still apply, because once they need it, they will send you on the training, and so you don't need to worry about that. All right. The next one that I'm going to be going on is Freight, and that is FRAYT.com. And for this one, you will have to, let's go to driver and apply now. You'll have to go to the app. You'll have to download the app, whether from the App Store or Google Play, to apply from the app. So once you download the app from the App Store, then you can apply within the app and you get response instantaneously. You don't need to wait for hours or days to get a response from them. All right, so let's look at the qualifications. Start your delivery business with Freight. Create your own schedule. Get paid the next day. Work with a team who listens to you. So for this one, you get paid, you deliver today, and you get your payment tomorrow. So that is very, very fast. All right, so just download the app. What I would advise you to do, go to the website from your phone. So once you click on apply, it takes you directly to the App Store, whether you're on Android or on Apple. It takes you to that particular App Store and allows you to download the correct app. All right, I hope you've gotten value. If you do, remember to share this with someone you think this might help, and like this video, subscribe to our channel, because that's how the algorithm works here on YouTube. You have to engage with us, like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for YouTube to push our videos out to more people. You know, we're on a mission to help so many more people to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start living a happier, more fulfilling, and a financially free life. So share our channel and utilize the information that I drop here on a regular basis. Don't just consume and consume, but implement all the things that you're consuming, all right? Because that's the only way you're gonna get result. Okay, thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Blessing, friends.